This is the most beautiful laptop I have ever used so far, and I'm not joking. Meet Honor MagicBook Art 14 that I've been using for about 3 weeks. Not only it's one of the thinnest and lightest laptops in existence, but also it has something that no one expected and it's quite literally shocking. And since this is an Honor laptop, I had to try the Honor ecosystem to check out how good it is. But first, let's begin with unboxing. Honor MagicBook Art 14 is so light that even its packaging is incredibly thin. Like, you only get the laptop outside of the box, which by the way looks stunning in this emerald green finish. Emerald green has been my favorite color for quite some time, so seeing this on a laptop is great. Now, in a separate small box, you get a 65-watt USB-C charger. Now, the moment I held this beauty in my hand, I was just shocked because I have never ever held a laptop of 14.6-inch size this light and this thin. Frankly, it's kind of freaky. Honor really deserves some respect because they're bringing innovation back to back. They first amazed me with their foldable Magic V3, which is the thinnest foldable you can buy. And now we have this MagicBook Art 14 masterpiece. So how did they do it? Well, the body is made up of magnesium alloy, while the keyboard is crafted from a durable titanium, making the MagicBook Art 14 ridiculously light and thin while also not compromising on durability. Although I haven't dropped this laptop so far, and I don't want to drop this laptop, but if you do, you're probably gonna be fine. It's almost 1 kilogram in weight and about 11.5 millimeter in thickness, beating out MacBook Air in both thickness and weight, despite being 14.6 in size. That's incredible. Honestly, it's such well constructed that carrying this around in my bag or in my hands is so fun. Now, in terms of ports, we have a very decent setup going on. We've got two super fast USB-C ports, Thunderbolt 4 and 3.2 Gen 2. There's a USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 port on the side along with the headphone jack and the HDMI 2.1 port. This laptop features Honor's 6-speaker spatial audio system, which is AI powered, giving you a really good sound experience. Now, the keyboard is nice and comfortable to type on, nothing too crazy going on. The trackpad also has a nice size and it's on par with some of the other high-end laptops. Now, once you open the laptop lid, you will be greeted by a 14.6-inch OLED Honor Full View touch display. It is ridiculously bezel-less, coming at 3.1K pixel resolution with 120Hz refresh rate and 700 nits of brightness. This has to be the best display I have tried out at this size. It's OLED, it's bright, and it has ridiculously thin bezels. Now, how did they create the most bezel-less 14.6-inch laptop? Well, the shocking thing is that the camera on this laptop, the webcam, is actually a detachable magnetic AI camera that sits on the side of the laptop, which you can easily take out and then magnetically attach on the top, and that's how you get your 1080p webcam on this thing. You can also attach this in the opposite direction, giving you the back view. Honestly, this is an extremely innovative solution because personally, I'm not using the laptop camera all the time, so being able to tuck it away and get a bezel-less screen is such a big win. And when I need it, I can just pop it out and use it and then tuck it away. I really hope Honor continues to keep this detachable magnetic camera solution because it is really dope. Now, one thing you should know about Honor is that they make the best and the most healthiest smartphone display for your eyes, no matter which Honor product you buy. So this laptop's display also has 4320 Hz PWM dimming number. This dramatically lowers the flickering of the display, meaning you're not gonna get eye strain even when you use this display for a longer period of time. I love the colors and the vibrancy along with the deep blacks you get with having an OLED display. It's a treat for watching media or playing games. Now, speaking of playing games, this is powered by an Intel Core Ultra 7 chip along with 32 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. There's a Snapdragon X Elite variant as well, so you have two options when it comes to chips are concerned. So I have the Core Ultra 7 model, and I've gotta say, for a laptop this thin, it's a beast of a chip, fully optimized for AI. I never thought that I'll be able to play some of my favorite console games on a laptop this thin. I tried my all-time favorite Red Dead Redemption 2 game on this laptop and it looks pretty good. You can either play this game at 1440p resolution with low settings, or you can play this game at high settings at 1200p, which still looks pretty sharp and detailed. Again, this is not a full-fledged gaming laptop, but just to show you guys, you can easily, comfortably play all the latest gaming titles on a laptop this thin and light, something that was completely impossible to do just a few years ago. Other than playing games for hours and hours, I also tried out 4K video editing. I used the CapCut software and edited my Sony a7S III footage, which is pretty heavy to edit. The editing experience, like hovering over the timeline, was pretty smooth. After doing some color grading and applying some effects, I rendered this 3-minute clip, and this was completed in about 5.5 minutes, which is pretty good. Now, when it comes to general and productivity use is concerned, this is excellent. It's running Windows 11 Home on top with tons of features and customization. What's different here is that Honor has partnered with Microsoft to bring the fully integrated Copilot experience. With Copilot, you can enhance your productivity tenfold. Whether you're writing an essay or email or coding, whatever AI-related help you need, Copilot has got you covered. You literally get a Copilot button on your laptop that you can press, and it just pops up so you can have it on your fingertips all the time. Now, I really wanted to try Honor's ecosystem, so now that I'm using the Magic V3 as my main Android phone, I can finally try Magic Ring, which takes this experience to a whole new level. With Magic Ring, your phone and your laptop will automatically connect to each other, allowing you to share screens, send data seamlessly, receive text or call notifications, and control both of your devices at the same time seamlessly, which works really good, as well as have seamless app integrations such as the Notes app completely synced on all of your devices. You also get favorite space where you can drop anything, whether it's text, video, photo, or any file you want, and it's gonna be completely synced with all of your Honor devices. It's honestly quite shocking how well this ecosystem works. Now, last but not the least, I want to talk about battery life. When it comes to general usage like browsing web, doing your emails, and watching media in between, you can get about 8 to 9 hours of battery life from light to moderate usage. Now, for heavy continuous gaming as well as 4K video editing, you can get about 3 to 4 hours of use. Now, this does have a 65-watt charging, so it can charge up from 0 to 100% pretty quick in about 70 to 75 minutes. So what do I think about the Honor MagicBook Art 14 overall? Well, I am simply blown away by the design and the magnetic AI camera choice that they made, giving us a stunning bezel-less screen that honestly looks really good, probably the best looking 14.6-inch laptop on the market. And the fact that it comes in this emerald green finish is just simply beautiful, probably the most beautiful laptop I've ever used. I used the Intel Core Ultra version, which did pretty good, surprisingly good, but you can probably get more performance with the Snapdragon X Elite version of this laptop. All in all, it is a great package. But let me know what you guys think. Are you impressed by the Honor MagicBook Art 14? Drop a comment and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.